If you've ever edited a photo in Lightroom Mobile and wished you could go back, compare changes, or test a new look without losing your original edit, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to check versions in Lightroom Mobile, step by step, so you can quickly view, switch, rename, save, or delete edit versions with confidence. This is a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when you're refining your photos. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and mobile editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile on your phone and tap the photo you want to work on. Make sure you're inside the editing view for that image. Once the photo is open, look for the versions option. In most cases, you'll see a clock icon. Tap that clock icon to open the version panel. Inside versions, Lightroom will show you the different saved edits for that photo. You may see auto versions, which are created by Lightroom as you make changes, and you may also see named or saved versions if you created them manually. This is where you can compare different edit directions without affecting your original work. Now tap any version to preview it. Lightroom will switch to that version so you can see exactly what the photo looked like at that stage. This is really useful if you want to compare a bright edit, a moody edit, or a more natural version side by side in your mind before deciding which one to keep. If you want to manage a specific version, tap the three dots next to it. From there, you'll usually see options like Rename, Delete, or Save Version. Rename is helpful when you want to label your edits clearly, like warm tones, black and white, or final export. Delete removes a version you no longer need, and Save Version lets you preserve a look you want to keep as a separate checkpoint. The best part of using versions is that you can experiment freely. You can try different adjustments, switch between versions, and compare results without losing your original settings. That means you can edit more creatively and still stay organized. So to recap, open the photo, tap the clock icon for versions, browse auto and saved versions, tap any version to preview it, and use the three dots to rename, delete, or save a version. That's the easiest way to check versions in Lightroom Mobile. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.